Well, good afternoon from South Devon coast. It's absolutely stunning. I'm just going to do a bit of a 360. What a wonderful place. I absolutely love it here. My happy place. As you can see, I'm fully camoed up today in my nice pastel shirt, standing out like a sore thumb, but I don't care. We came down just for a couple of hours to sit by the sea, and I've already been treated to a raven and a kestrel and I think a sparrowhawk and many swallows about to, or gathering about to head back to Africa, I guess. So, lovely. Right, I've just had a short walk down the path and I can see another kestrel just hovering. I don't know whether you can see really on this, but it's at the island straight ahead of me. Just to the left of it there's a little kestrel. Well, I say little, normal sized kestrel really. I was going to see if we can get any closer. Let's get a few shots and hopefully a bit of video. The other thing I love doing while I'm here is getting down in the grass and photographing the crickets and the grasshoppers. There's quite a few around here and it's great if you can find one. They make really interesting subjects. Yeah, if I can get one out in the open we'll do some shots. I'm shooting at f11, 1000 ISO, which is giving me a shutter speed of it varies a little bit, but 250 to 320. I'm shooting handheld obviously, so but I think that's okay, that should be good enough. Just a case of waiting for them to get into a position where they're not covered by grass or anything. It's just having a bit of patience. There's one there, hang on. Well, that's the end of a stunning afternoon on the South Devon coast. Bulbury Down, absolutely beautiful. I could sit here for hours. Anyway, if you got this far, thank you so much for watching again. Subscribe if you've enjoyed it, please. Give me a like, give me a share, and thanks very much, and I'll see you soon in another South Devon adventure. See you then.